Hey guys, and welcome to Behind the Seams. Wait a second, where's my partner Bailey?
Yeah, Santa, I'll have to call you right back. We're doing the buckle thing. Yep. Okay. All right. Sorry. That was Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
Yeah, he was excited about all the stuff we're gonna be delivering this year for Christmas.
Oh my gosh, well hey, I can't blame him. I'm excited too. Hey guys, I'm Taylor.
And I'm Bailey.
And we're from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and together we have around 15 years of styling experience, and we're excited to show you the looks for the holiday season this year. So, let's get started. Well, the verdict's in. We made the nice list. Hopefully you'll be getting lots of buckle holiday looks under your tree too.
Guys, thanks for taking a look behind the seams, and happy holidays from us to you.